Ancient Greece test. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. A piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Is that a peninsula, desert, or archipelago? Number 2. What was the name of the mountain that the 12 Olympic Greek gods were thought to live on? Mount Vesuvius, Mount Washington, or Mount Olympus? Number 3. True or false? Zeus was believed to be the king of the gods. Number 4. How did Aesop's fables pass along lessons? By using personified animals as characters? By using humans as characters? Or by using Intermediate South teachers as characters? Number 5. Who was often focused on in early Greek drama? Normal people, leaders and famous people, or nature? Number 6. Features of Greek architecture included triangular pediments as well as Corinthian, Ionic, and blank columns. Is the third column spire, scroll, or Doric? Number 7. Match the philosopher to their belief. So you're choosing one response for each philosopher. So your choices are taught through questions, rejected absolute right and wrong and taught debate, focused on observations of science, nature, and government, or thought governments should be run by philosopher kings and did not trust common people to make decisions. Now you must match these philosophies to the philosophers. And your philosopher choices are Sophist, Aristotle, Plato, and Socrates. Number 8. Where was Alexander the Great from? Athens, Macedonia, or Sparta? Number 9. What happened after the death of Alexander the Great? His empire remained united for 100 of years, or his empire soon broke into pieces ruled by his former generals? Number 10. Which of the following was spread during the Hellenistic era? All of the below, which is culture and language. Number 11. Which ancient Greek discovered the number known as pi, invented the catapult, and the principle used to figure out if objects, including ships, will float? Was that Zeus, Archimedes, or Alexander? Number 12. True or false? The Greeks believed that the earth was flat and could not estimate its circumference, which is the distance around. True or false? And number 13, the essay, in a brief paragraph, one paragraph, describe ways in which we can see the accomplishments of the ancient Greek culture within our modern world. Be sure to mention at least 3 ways.